channel, and yes, a pergola has nothing to do with restoring a car depending on what your plans are. So of course we got the body of the Monterey on the rotisserie here, and our first discussions about how we were going to media blast it when we got it set up to blast here was to buy one of those. I call them a garage in a box. You know, they're made by Shelter Logic and that. And no offense to anybody who's ever purchased one, but I find them really trashy looking, you know, unlike my nice tarp, of course. And I've seen so many of them get blown away. After a few years, the canvas is totaled on them. And that is really why we went a different route when it come to setting something up for media blasting this. And now that we have the new donor frame, we'll be also blasting that ourselves. We're not going to take that away because it's in really good shape, and we think it's going to be a little effortless. So yes, that's what the boys put together here, and they did a really nice job actually. So they got a nice beam in there fastened to the side of the garage with all the anchors and that. They got gussets in here, and so our actual plan is to run tarps all the way around this and create a wall going across the face of it, and then we can roll the body that's on the rotisserie under here, and we're going to set up a blast cabinet in here. We're also going to be renting a compressor because the compressor in the garage is pretty old actually. It's just not enough volume to run. We have a big sandblast or a top fill type. So again, I can't thank the guys enough for coming over here while I was working and getting all this set up for us. And that's our plan. We're just trying to get a little further along with the new donor frame. And for those who are interested in the Monterey project, I'll just give you a little bit of footage at the end of this. We have been working. It's just, and we had set up some cameras that didn't actually record while we were doing some of the work. So this is the remainder of what's going on, and more is very much is coming. We're going to be getting this all set up, and then we should be starting to paint a lot of components as well. And that's where we're at right now with the project. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.